this tutorial we're going to have a look at how to create a bar graph in Google Sheets. So the first thing is that you need to prepare your data. I have here 3 products, item A, B and C, and 4 quarters in a year. And now I would like to convert this data into a bar graph. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to mark everything. Then I choose the menu option Insert, and here we are looking for chart. Once I click on the chart, a chart is already created. But now we have a column chart. But also the chart editor is opening up, and now we can select a bar graph inside the chart editor. So we have to go a bit down here, and there's 3 different versions of bar graphs or bar charts. You have the general bar chart, you can add a stacked bar chart, or you can have a 100% stacked bar chart. Okay, let's start with the first one. I click on it, and then live it's just transformed into a bar chart. Now we see for each item the 4 different quarters and how the sales numbers looked like. Alright, so this is the regular bar chart, and now let's choose the second type, the stacked bar chart. You see the 4 quarters are now just stacked on top of each other, and there's like one long bar. And then let's have a look at the third type. Again, like just a little difference. You also have the percentages here. 100%, they all add up to 100%, and you just see the distribution of sales across the different quarters. And what you can also do with bar graphs in Google Sheets is that you can adjust everything. So you have the 4 quarters right here and all the data, and of course you could select other data ranges right here. You can modify everything just right here. What you can also do is you can use further customization. Let's go back to the first chart again. Here you can customize and change the style. As an example, you can change the background color. Let's say you would like to have pink. Well, probably not. Let's go back maybe to a green, like a magenta color. Then you can change the border color to whatever you like. There's just so much. You can convert it into a 3D chart, or you can convert it into a 3D chart so the bars are in 3D. You can maximize it so the whole rectangle here is maximized in terms of how the data is displayed. And you can change the chart titles or add a chart title. So I could write bar chart, and afterwards you will see that this is added on top right here. You can also, of course, change here to name the horizontal and vertical axis. So if you want to name the vertical axis, you could say products, and then on the horizontal axis you could say sales. So I just change the horizontal axis and change it to sales. So we have the sales right here, and of course we can also change the title format to bold and italic and everything else. Alright. What you can also do is you can add in a legend if you want to. Like, you can do everything manually. You can say on the right hand side you would like to have a legend and just display the 4 quarters, things like that. And you can also edit the horizontal and vertical axis individually. Alright, this is how to create a bar graph in Google Sheets. If you want to get better at Google Sheets, please subscribe to this channel. See you again soon, and goodbye. Bye bye.